Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to take a look at this option bar. Right in the middle we've got the option. After tapping on it, you can see that currently we've got the single shot, which simply means that the timer is off, and when we will swipe to the left we can see that we've got 10 and 3 seconds delay. So let me set 10 seconds delay. As you can see, this option is highlighted. What's more, this icon changed slightly. So let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, the same situation will be with the 3 seconds delay, but obviously it will count down from 3. And if you'd like to turn off the timer, all you have to do is to simply tap on it and go back to this single shooting option. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.